Hi, this is Ryan with the Embroidery Warehouse. Today we're going to show you how to attach and remove your hoop arms and your hat drive. So this is your hoop arm here. You should have a left one and a right one. Essentially what you're supposed to do is if you see these tabs right here, this slides in between the metal on your XY driver. If it won't slide on immediately, you can actually hand loosen these two black screws here. Right, so attaching your hoop arms are pretty easy. You have these slots right here and right here. Standard hoop sizes you would slide into these slots here. But if you're using your one large hoop that's included with your machine, go ahead and stick them on these outside slots. But essentially you just slide it in there until you hear it hit the metal. And then you take your 3mm Allen and just tighten it down from there. Attaching your hat drive is a little bit more complicated. So first, go ahead and remove your table. So the hat drive, if you notice, has two little openings here. You have one down here and one up here. You want the larger one to be up top where these wheels are, because these wheels are going to go on a track. Also, before putting it on your machine, you want to go ahead and take these screws and washers off. So stabilizing your hat drive just like this, go ahead and set it on this machine, slide it onto the main shaft, and then push it back to where the holes line up with the tabs. And then from there, put your washers on your screws and slide them in place. And put them down about finger tight. Take your 3mm, go ahead and tighten them down all the way. Do this on both sides. Last but not least, go ahead and position your hat drive where the center of your needle hole is in between the two screws on either side of your hat drive.